And now we will move on to another thing which is called exception. So what exceptions are? Exceptions, as it says, is the exception statements or the no or the errors that we get. So in Python programs, whenever an exception will come, your program will get your program will crash eventually. So for example, if we see here, right, this is a uh, good example of an exception. You see, it actually killed my function right here. It didn't go. It didn't went anywhere, right? So this is what function. This is what exception looks like. So let's practice some exception here. So what I will do, I will just use. I will keep it as this, and what I will say, I will just take uh, the result, okay, and I will say return 100, not 100, 50, let's say 800 divided by slash, and we say divide by, and this should actually go here because I have to parameterize this value and see what result comes up. Okay, so I will say this will divide by this. Okay. Now what I will do quickly is I will say print, right, this is result, the value of result, and the value that I will pass here for the divide by result. So it should be 20. Okay, right, so it should be at 20. And then I will say print, there will be some print statement, results divided by 35. I'll just use an odd number to make sure that you guys understand what it looks like. Okay, and then I will say print result is 0. Okay, now what I will do, I will just hit a function F5 and see how it goes. Right. Okay, see, here we got an exception. What we got is we got an exception error for 0 division. Division by 0 is not possible. Okay, so just to handle these exceptions, we will do something. We will try something. Right, we will say try. Right, because we are handling a statement, so we'll say try. Try this or this or this, and if this is not right, I will say except 0 division error. If you just hit a tab, you will get the error name. Okay, and I will say print error, you cannot divide it by 0. Does it make sense to you? Okay. I'm just forgetting something. It should be like this. Okay. Right. Now I will save it and I will run. See, make a note of this error that we faced. Right. Now what happens if I do f function and f5? Oh, okay. We didn't get this ugly error here. It just says error, you cannot divide it by 0. Right? We are handling exceptions, and we are putting the whole example in a try and accept block. So this is how you actually do the exception handling. Okay. So I hope you guys understood and you were able to understand how this function, exception handling, global scope and local scope works. And this is the end of the function chapter, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to put down in the comment box and I will try to answer all of them. So till then, I will see you next time. Until then, goodbye.